Use two WhatsApp accounts in one phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the WhatsApp application. As you launch the WhatsApp application, simply what you need to do is tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. As you do that, tap on settings. As you tap on settings, it will take you to the settings over here. So simply tap on your profile, or you can just tap on the account option at the top. As you tap on account, here you can see the option of add account. So simply tap on add account. And as you tap on add account, you can see the option of add account over here at the bottom again. So simply tap on it. Now after that, what you simply need to do is add the number, or just enter the number that you'd want to add over here in the single phone to use to other WhatsApp account. So simply agree and continue. And as you agree and continue, enter the phone number. And as you enter the phone number, you can verify yourself and you'll be able to use two WhatsApp accounts in one phone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.